Hello there, this is Agnes, and today we are going to make a fun birthday card. For this, you will be needing a white note card of 300 GSM, and for the middle layer, I take blue sheet and then the top layer of the card and the sheet of A4 size blue color print paper and a crochet hook. I'm going to use this to do my quilling part. So for this, on the longer side, I mark 4.5 centimeters in one side and 5 centimeters on the other end. So that it is slanting, and then I cut it all the way down. You will be getting a sheet of paper like this. So here distance is 4.5 centimeter and this is 5 centimeters. Now we can make the tight coil. Start from the bigger end. Roll them tight. Keep rolling. You can of course remove and then roll. Press the ends often. Because one end is bigger than the other, when you press down, you can see the top part somewhat slanting. So we are going to use this effect to resemble as a crayon. Now you can glue it down. Now we can glue it. And then I'm going to take a piece of white sheet because the smaller end of this coil is 4.5 centimeter. We will be requiring a 3.5 centimeter or 3 centimeter this distance. And then cut in a smaller distance. Oh. Cut it into a small piece and just check whether it can go around. Just leave a smaller space to overlap and then cut the excess. Now we can just write do some designs or something like that. And now this is ready to go around us. Apply glue. stick it in a way so that you leave some space in the bottom and the top of the crayon. Now it will resemble a crayon. I have applied glue to the other end. Hold it for a while for it to stick. You can see a hole here. It is not going to bother us because we will be sticking it in this way. Take a top layer, draw a simple balloon, and then we can write happy birthday over it. Take a blue crayon and draw around it. And in the end, you can stick it like this. Apply some glue to the back side and then stick it. You can also color the inside of the balloon if you wish, or write the happy birthday sentiment with your crayons inside it. Now it's time for me to prepare the card. This is just an ordinary printer paper. I use the same color of the crayon. Apply some glue to the back. Apply near the corners. We can also use double-sided sellotape instead of glue, but I find glue to be more convenient because glue is much cheaper. And I can get the same effect. And also the other plus point with glue is that I can just adjust so that the corners have equal sides and are uniform.